I think that one thing that you really need to have to be in the events industry is to love the idea of an event.
So, what technical or personal skills you think that students at IICS must focus on to thrive in the media landscape?
I think you've got to have great networking skills because you are your own business product that you're selling.
Welcome to Made for Media by the Indian Institute of Creative Skills, where we discuss the future of media, entertainment, and its creative skills. Today, we are joined by someone who embodies versatility, confidence, and honest storytelling, Pavleen Gujral. She's an actor, a powerful performer, a digital creator with a distinct voice, and an artist who has constantly reinvented herself across films, OTT, theater, and branded content. Her entire journey reflects exactly what we teach at ISCS. Authenticity is your art, discipline is your craft, and your voice is your identity. So, what was the turning point about her life, her career? Let's talk to the one and only Pavleen Gujral.
Thank you so much, Vandana, for such a lovely introduction.
Thank you. The pleasure is all mine. I'll say privilege.
Thank you so much.
So, Pavleen, first of all, how does it feel to be in an educational institute run by our government, Indian government, an initiative of the government of India?
I think it's a great initiative. I feel like now the world is changing. India as a place to work is changing, and
Mm.
there's so many more opportunities, so many more professions that the younger generation could go for. It's
Yeah.
no longer being a doctor or a lawyer. Being an artist also deserves the same amount of respect and commands the same respect today, which I'm very happy about of being an artist in this day and time where it's celebrated. And of course, an institute like this, which owns your creativity and is not, it's for people who want to make their passion into their profession.
Yes.
It is a beautiful thing to do, and I think you're emotionally strengthening these children by telling them that it's okay not to pick up the regular careers and go for
Yeah.
something that you love.
Bilkul, absolutely. That's what I keep telling all the parents who come for counseling out here. I say just set them free. Let
Mm.
them let them make their own mistakes. Let them trip, let them fall.
Exactly.
But let them do what their heart tells them to. Follow their heart.
Absolutely.
So important. So, what was the turning point when you realized that entertainment was truly your space?
I think I always loved the stage.
Yeah.
I used to do a lot of theater back in school and even in college.
Yeah.
Although I'm a computer science honors, I'm a computer engineer, and I'm a lawyer. But theater was all, huh? Yeah, I'm a big geek.
Yeah.
So, but then theater was always happening in the background. There's one thing I did not leave. Um, Fortunately, unfortunately, theater was never a career that was advisable in my family. It's like, "Acha, it's not really, you can't pursue it
Right.
professionally." But I could never let it go. It was just the stage that gave me that power that no other place could do.
I know.
And I think that really helped me today because when you do theater,
Mhm.
you let go of your inhibitions. You are performing like in a really small auditorium in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
And we used to perform in villages also because I used to do third theater, which is for the benefit of
Nukkad Natak.
Nukkad Natak.
Ah, I've done a lot in college.
Yes, so
And theater is very addictive, and
Yes.
stage is very addictive.
Yes.
I feel.
And so with how theater and films and OTT is different now. Theater, it just makes you much more stronger as a performer
Absolutely.
because it's instant gratification. You know whether you've done a good job or not right there and then.
I know. There was a time in the corona when, you were missing the live stage,
I swear.
live
Mm.
performance, acting, theater, anchoring, just about everything.
Everything. It was like COVID was a turning point. But I also think that COVID has somehow accelerated the events industry so much
Yes.
post COVID. Everybody wanted to go out, everybody wanted to celebrate and enjoy, and events were the answer.
Yeah.
And they're just growing. Like the events industry in India is growing massively at this point. So I'm a part of EMA also, which is the Event Association of India. So then I see a manifold growth happening. We are collaborating with international artists,
Yes.
and we are holding concerts of magnanimity that we have not done before. So it's fantastic to see, and it's a great time to be part of the event industry.
And the best part that I noticed were that earlier it was just one or two companies who could
Mm.
get an international artist to India.
Right.
Maybe Wishcraft,
Yes.
or maybe Showtime.
Right.
But now I've 10 events. He's a great friend of mine. All these are like, we are all starting our
Sivala.
careers together. All
Yes.
of us.
Yes,
all
of course. You
all of
know them so well.
all of us started our Rashi events. We started our career in the same year.
Right.
So now even these companies have
Huh.
become empowered enough to get those international artists to India
Absolutely.
and making event industry in India even more stronger.
Yes. It has.
And we're contributing greatly to the GDP of the
We are.
country.
We are.
Greatly.
I mean, with the G20 happening, and now we're preparing for our sports itself is also becoming so much bigger. Our sports teams are contributing in every sport now.
Yeah.
So I feel like that's also an event. You would call it an event only. It is the event industry. It's an event.
Because it comes one of the categories of events that we teach out here.
Of course. So I feel like it's just it's a great place to be right now. And I'm also an actor. I'm also in the events industry.
Right.
But when I compare today, I feel like the events industry is much more gratifying.
Yeah, that's absolutely
Yeah.
100%
Much
true.
more
In
gratifying.
fact, you mentioned G20. G20 is one of the intellectual properties of Wishcraft.
Yes, absolutely.
IFA.
And IFA.
Yeah, so their syllabus we are following here.
Oh, really? Okay.
The entire Wishcraft Mind syllabus developed by Sushma Gaikwad and
Oh.
Sabas.
Oh, that's amazing.
Followed here. Yeah, she's one of our mentors. She'll be online. You'll see her on the Zoom.
Oh, fantastic. That is so
Watching
good.
the students. And Sabas might be there. Nita Lula is going to be there today
Oh, lovely.
on Zoom, watching the students perform.
Okay.
So what is the misconception people usually have about your career, like anchoring and events and acting?
You know, the misconceptions are quite minuscule. They don't look at the bigger picture. As a woman,
Hmm.
a lot of my family asks me that is it harder for a woman? You're traveling all alone across countries, and you're on stage. You're so vulnerable out there. But I'll be honest with you, the amount of respect you command on the stage, nobody really has the audacity to take you for a ride
Oh.
because they know that you know what you're talking about. That's a strong, confident woman.
Absolutely.
And you establish that in the first 5 minutes of being on stage.
Absolutely. I think not even first 5 minutes, the first few seconds.
First few seconds.
That's all you have to get that audience eating out of your hands.
Yeah.
Right.
And another misconception is people think it's easy. It's not easy. You have to work on your diction. You have to work on your pronunciation. You have to be really worldly smart and content. And you really need to have a presence of mind because anything could go wrong in an event at any second. The mic could stop working. They've given some additions that you need to do, or if the DJ, the console is not working, you got to figure something out in a matter of seconds.
Done all that.
You know all of this.
I remember there was a show of one of the very renowned ghazal singers. I announced him. It was Steel Authority of India's show, and the who's who of media was there.
Right.
At that time, like, we were the only guys printed in HTTT, Vinteja, myself, Shibani, we were the only ones. And I announced him, the client said, announce. I announced him, and there was no,
Really?
and the artist didn't come. And I looked, play with the audience, play.
Yeah.
So I could not divert from the topic of ghazals.
Of course.
So I built the games around ghazals, and they were like CEOs and owners of huge iron and steel companies, who,
That's an intimidating crowd.
yes, it was like, stop. It was not the dealers. huh?
Okay.
So I had to play very clever with the ghazals. Where was this ghazal, played in?
Wow, and you had all that info.
Thank God, because of my daddy. He used to listen to ghazals.
Oh, really?
And then, what is the antra? Okay, I'm singing the mukda. What is the antra?
Wow.
Ghazal?
See, now presence of mind is required. Like how?
20 minutes, and
Yes.
he got it. They wrote it in a circle.
They did.
I
Oh, that's
I was
incredible.
very unhappy about that.
Why? वो क्यों आया?
क्यों आया ना?
But Vandana, you are the epitome of great emceeing and anchoring. Like we all look up to you. You've set a standard, especially with your pronunciation.
Thank you.
And it's so clear and crisp. Even today, when you were introducing me, I was like, wow, I would love
Thank
to
you.
introduce like
I
that.
think it's all thanks to my mother.
Yeah?
She was an English literature language
Oh,
teacher. She
okay.
put me on to Shakespeare years ago, like a
Wow.
little kid.
That is, see, now that's what people don't realize, that you got to be a learned person as well
So,
to imbibe it in your script. You can't
yes,
just not be well read.
absolutely. Every girl today wants to be an MC.
Yes.
And every boy today wants to be an MC.
Yeah.
Easy money.
Easy money. But it's
और
not.
कुछ
So,
नहीं सोचते.
they don't look at anything else. They don't work on themselves. Acha, they look decent. That's enough. It's really, it's harder than being an actor also. Actors get takes. You can rectify your
No
mistake. With the anchoring, there are no retakes. एक बार कुछ गलत बोल दिया तो that's recorded. फिर आपको जाके पीछे सुनना ही पड़ेगा.
And आप तो पहले तो फिर भी easy था कि नहीं मैंने तो बोला ही नहीं.
हाँ.
Now everything is there.
Everything is recorded. Yeah.
And sometimes it's live on social media.
Yeah. It is. It's crazy now, the kind of pressure that anchors go through, which is why I think that anchors are getting paid very well, because they are the ones who are taking the whole event forward. They are,
There's a whole
Yeah.
rest on.
yes, stressed on them. So I think that now they're really respecting the presence of an MC in events.
And I'm glad about that.
Yeah, no, but you guys are the ones who have really paved that path for us.
True.
So thank you for that.
Gitika, myself,
Yes.
Manpreet Barar.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
We were the like,
OGs.
everywhere.
Mandira, you have the OGs.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Absolutely. So what technical or personal skills you think that students at IICS must focus on to thrive in the media landscape?
I think you've got to have great networking skills, because you are your own business product that you're selling. It's not like you're selling one product, you're making creatives around it and sharing it to people. You are your product.
Yeah.
So you have got to network.
Right.
You have got to be a people's person. Fake it if you have to. That is one skill. Yeah, you absolutely have to. See, if the events industry is for the people, by the people, of the people.
Yes.
It's just about pleasing people on stage.
Absolutely.
It's not like a regular business. So
And even off stage, you have
Even
to
off
be that
stage,
personality
of
that
course.
people just look up to and yearn to have that.
yes,
Maybe it could be anything, the way you dress up, the way
yes,
hair, the way you walk, off stage, on stage, both.
absolutely. You've got to look the part all the time. You're selling a persona. So you got to live that persona. So one thing is networking. Second thing is you got to work on your verbal skills for sure. That's got to be top notch.
Absolutely.
Only if that is sorted, then any kind of hurdle that you encounter while doing an event, ki chalo ab script nahi dikh rahi hai, teleprompter nahi hai.
Chalo.
So at least you have that skill to make it work.
Yeah, that's why I always say teleprompter hai. I don't care. I want my cue.
Yeah, cue cards. Oh my
I
god, I
want
so
cue cards.
hard relate. I need my cue cards. Even if
No, wo hai na samne.
no.
And that's what happened in the show that we just did 2 months back. The teleprompter just stopped. Apar Shakti and myself, he didn't have the cue cards.
Yeah.
I took the pains of making my cue cards.
Oh, how nice.
Sharing my cue cards. Acha, it's your turn.
Really? No, he's see an actor like he's a dear friend.
You will see that.
An actor like Apar Shakti is also doing so many events.
Yeah.
I feel like now, as an actor also, you gotta have, if you have that presence, you gotta make it work, and events is a great place to be at. But Apar's also done this show.
He's done Made for Media, that massive show that happened in Siripot Auditorium.
Oh, nice.
We co-anchored it together.
Oh, how lovely.
We
That's
both were there.
amazing.
It was fun. Usha,
He's a
she-
family friend. He was at my wedding, my sister's wedding, my brother's wedding.
Oh, wow. Very sweet.
Very sweet.
Very sweet. I lovely brother, because he and I used to anchor a lot of shows in Make Queen Ball, Tola Kua.
Oh, yeah.
He was with Big FM then.
Oh, lovely.
We both did a lot of Make Queen Balls.
Oh, nice.
When he was working as an RJ with Big FM.
Right.
And I was anchoring. I was
Okay.
RJing with All India Radio.
Yeah.
But majorly,
Majorly anchoring.
that was just twice a week. One message you have, not only anchors,
Hmm.
generally because we have mainly students of events, who can become production guys,
Right.
who can own an event company. Some of them dream of starting their own event company. Some want to go into some other part, maybe let's say AI and animation of events.
Hmm.
They have different dreams. So, what is your message for those?
I think that one thing that you really need to have to be in the events industry is to love the idea of an event. You can't just be in it for to make money, which is of course a great a perception,
Huh.
but you gotta really love the energy of an event, of a live spectacle that is happening in front of you. If you are see, everybody has a different inkling towards what they want to do with their life. Somebody like to be on the computer. I am an outdoorsy person. I like to go out there and meet people. I can't be in front of the screen.
Yeah,
So you've got to be that.
absolutely.
You have to love what you're doing with events, especially because events throws curveballs at you. Sometimes you're just picking up chairs, for God's sakes, even if
I was just going to say that मैंने पोटी भी लगाई
मैंने भी शुरुआत में I
मतलब वो स्टेज रैंप रेडी हो गया उस पे पैर रख के कोई चला गया and it's my friend's shows I'm running and मारूंगा पोचास
I've done that. I haven't done poachers, but you end up doing everything. Yeah. You're like cleaning the chair because somebody spilled something on it, and there's who do you tell? So you're like doing that also.
exactly
You're doing everything because you
you are a show saver.
you're a show
An
saver.
event guy is a show saver.
Yes,
That's what I say.
absolutely.
So many of my friends will say events guy की क्या जरूरत है हम सारा event खुद ही कर लेंगे I say,
No.
warning you
Yeah.
warning you कर लो event का
You need somebody to make it happen together.
absolutely
Make it whole.
yeah
You need that
very
person.
important very important. So, what advice will you give to the students who want to grow organically on the social media? Because you have a very lovely social media presence. So, कैसे करे वो बच्चे कि मतलब उनका organically उनका social media strong हो जाए?
Just be real, I think.
Mhm.
Just be real. Like, whatever works for you. अगर आप fashion की तरफ inclined हैं, तो आप fashion content बनाइए. अगर आप lifestyle की तरफ, traveling की तरफ inclined हैं, you have to do something that you love.
Yeah.
You can't fake it on social media because वो दिख जाता है क्योंकि shoot भी आप कर रहे हो, edit भी आप कर रहे हो, सब कुछ आप ही कर रहे हो. आप कितना fake करोगे? Acting और OTT में क्या है कि you are doing one part of being an actor. There's an editor, there's a director, there is a producer.
Yes.
There are a lot of people to help you. Social media is harder because you are your own director, own producer, own actor. So you
Agree.
can't fake it. You have to love what you're doing. That applies to everything. But with social media, I have seen that the more real you are on social media, the more people like you. So, like, I've also started my spoken word as a spoken word
Talk
artist.
about that. Yeah,
Yes.
spoken word.
So, I've also started my latest venture of being a spoken word artist through Unscripted by P. And I have been writing for years. Like, it was my way of dealing with my issues, even when I was a child.
Right.
I belong to a very strict family, and what I'm doing right now is not like a regular profession of a strict family.
Yeah.
So to deal with those, how to figure it out, I used to write. And I've realized that people the spoken word is massive now. And I was like, why don't I do that? Because that's something that I love. That's something that's me.
Right.
And it's going really well. And today also on Children's Day, I'm going to be speaking something
Yes.
about childhood, about happiness. And
Yes.
that's what I want to do. I want to eventually transition into an artist, which I am already, but as a spoken word artist. Because I feel like with the digital world and people being perpetually on screens, the amount of mindfulness is decreasing.
Yes.
So if somebody really clinches to your heart and says something that makes you think, so that stays with you. That rarely happens in your real life now.
Yeah.
You're so busy working. You're barely meeting your family, barely spending time with your partners, your children. So you're getting your entertainment only from social media.
Yes.
So what if you get your mental stability as well?
So let's talk about one of your most funniest incidents that's happened on stage ever with you.
Oh God, yeah.
The real hilarious incident.
So, about 2 years ago, I used to do all the events for SBI.
Yeah.
Okay. And I used to do their dealer meets and all of that. This is 2 years ago. So there was this one event that was in Missouri or something at the Marriott, and it was out in the open. And now these guys, they know me very well now. Okay, I know them, they know me. I've done about
Yeah.
5, 6 events with them. What happened was so I was on stage and I had to engage the audience with a game or something,
Right.
and I had to go to the audience. And while I was going to the audience, one heel got stuck on the steps of the stage, and I came down with just one heel.
Oh my God.
And I am like, so what I do is when something like this happens, I just brush it off and I say, बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. That kind of it. And I went back, I took out my heel, it took a little bit, and while that is happening, I'm talking also.
I'm not exactly this was like Auto Expo used to happen and and still happens. I remember I was doing it for Tata Motors, and I'm short. So I'm just 5'3"
Okay.
So I wear like 7 inches heel.
Wow.
So I don't know, that heel I'd worn so much. I stepped on stage and I was singing, and I did a split, and the heel went into the audience.
Oh my god. Are you kidding?
so relatable.
Yeah. Into the audience. You couldn't even get it back.
Song on, like, without the heel, or one heel I had, one but no heel. I sang the whole song.
What are you saying?
I will show that as though something has happened.
Yeah, you can't. You really can't. But that's a better story than mine. At least I could take it out. Yours was in the audience.
I don't know who it hit.
Oh God.
It was packed. Like,
Wow.
you couldn't even see isse aage. There was so many people. There was like,
Yeah.
You know,
Auto Expo. Yeah.
everybody come.
Everybody.
It's
Yeah.
open.
Yes.
They just come.
True.
I don't know who it hit. I said, "Ab guys, chodo."
Oh my God. Wow. But that is a sign of a great anchor.
Like that.
Oh, I'm gonna read this now. I'm gonna get some ammo.
Fun, hilarious events. So many things.
So many things
Oh my
happen. Yeah.
God. I remember.
Somebody's name you pronounce wrong and then they come to you like आपने ऐसे बोला. मैंने कहा पर आपने ऐसे बोला तो मुझे बोलने को. Now the head is coming. आपने ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया, ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया. That time what do? मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है. See, कुछ भी गलत हो stage पे, it is the anchor's
It's
fault.
anchor's fault.
Even if you've been briefed wrong,
Yes.
it doesn't matter. It is the anchor's fault.
Absolutely.
So you just drink sweet poison. What do you do?
Absolutely. Absolutely. So now, chalo chalte hain towards the rapid fire round.
Yay.
Yeah, you ready?
Okay. Ready.
Okay. Click.
Hmm.
A hobby no one knows that you have.
Singing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sing a few lines.
All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. And standing here outside your door, I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. But the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, it's blowing its horn. Already I'm so broken I could cry. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, babe, don't let me go.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Thank you.
You know, unlike a lot of MCs who try to sing, you aren't sur.
Oh, thank you so much. Wow, coming from you, that's a compliment. Thank you.
Okay, one beauty essential you always carry.
Lip balm.
That's very important. OTT or films?
Films, for sure.
Comedy or drama?
Comedy,
I love
100%.
comedy, 100%. A role you want to play someday?
Padmavati, Deepika's role.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I feel like any Sanjay Leela Bansali character,
Right.
I think he beautifies women so well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
It's
so much,
amazing.
Vaisana. This is so fun.
So much fun. So I hope to see more of you on the big screen, small screen, and even on stage.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
And with that, I thank you, Pavleen. Thank you for this amazing, energetic chat. Your journey gives our students a clear message. Show up, express boldly, and never stop honing your craft. Thank you for tuning in to Made for Media. And we'll be back with बहुत सारी अच्छी अच्छी आवाजें shaping the future of you creative souls.